Hey, hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We, as an interior and exterior design expert, share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. In this latest video, we dive into the world of modern wardrobe designs that will glamour your living space. From minimalistic chic to multifunctional marvels, we will showcase a range of contemporary wardrobe ideas that combine style and functionality. Whether you are seeking space-saving solutions or a bold statement piece, our curated collection has something for everyone. Join us as we explore these innovative designs and get inspired to transform your wardrobe in a modern masterpiece. Designing a modern wardrobe can be challenging, and there are several common mistakes people tend to make. Number 1. Not carefully planning the layout. Storage needs and functionality can lead to disorganized and inefficient wardrobe. Number 2. Focusing solely on aesthetic and neglecting functionality can result into a wardrobe that does not meet your storage needs or daily routines. Number 3. Inadequate lighting can make it difficult to see items clearly, making it harder to pick outfits and manage your wardrobe efficiently. Number 4. Forgetting to incorporate accessories like hooks, pull-out trays, and shoe racks can limit the wardrobe's efficiency and organization potential. Number 5. Proper ventilation is essential to prevent odors and moisture buildup, which can damage clothing and accessories over time. Number 6. Not maximizing vertical space with shelves, hanging rods, and storage units can lead to wasted space and clutter. Number 7. Designing a wardrobe that does not reflect your personal style and preferences can result in a disconnect between your clothing and the storage space. Number 8. Failing to consider future changes in clothing collection and storage needs can lead to outgrowing the wardrobe's capacity. Number 9. Optioning for low quality materials can lead to premature wears and tears, reducing the longevity of your material. Number 10. Charming too many items into the wardrobe can lead to wrinkles, difficulty finding items, and overall disarray. Number 11. Placing frequently used items out of reach or in hard to access areas can be inconvenient on a daily basis. Number 12. Not planning for seasonal clothing rotations can lead to unnecessary clutter and difficulty finding appropriate items. Number 13. Not tailoring the wardrobe to your specific needs and preferences can result in a generic storage solution that does not cater to your lifestyle. Number 14. Focusing solely on current trends might result in a wardrobe that becomes outdated quickly. And the last one is number 15. Forgetting to factor in maintenance, cleaning, and upkeep can lead to deterioration of the wardrobe's appearance and functionality over time. By avoiding these mistakes and carefully planning your wardrobe design, you can create a functional, organized, and visually appealing storage space that suits your lifestyle and needs. I hope this video is according to your taste. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.